Yeah, so here's our mess over here. I tell you, when you're a kid, it's like Legos. You gotta clean up. When you're an adult, it's stuff like this that you gotta clean up. Look at a mess. Lots of stuff here to go through. Bet you there's a million parts on here. Nails, screws, washers, nuts, bolts. You got some springs, latches, drapery parts, hose clamps, staples, and we got some air fittings, and a bunch of stuff. You go through this whole pile and clean all this out. You go through every pile here. I'm gonna put what? Small nails, medium nails, big nails. You do for everything here. So we basically got all these jars. We put some holes in there to keep the contents dry, and I'm putting some labels on them. And we had about 50 of these down here. Plus, I had about 5 containers of like mixed hardware. This is all the mixed hardware. I gotta go through everything here. Yeah. So there's our mess we're working on. This is the last thing down here I have to go through. There's about 5 years of batteries for my cameras right there. I don't know how many batteries there is in there. Some 9-volt, 2 from all the experiments, and B for bad. Yeah, and over here we got all the electronic parts. This is the electronic parts that boil that mess so far. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 parts bins. This big parts bin there. This is all full hardware. I mean, we're sorting everything out. It's the last major thing I can do down here. And I don't like to look at this at all. I'll tell you what, when I start dumping stuff in the room here, I'm going, I don't like the looks of this right now. And then we brought every jar over here and just dumped it. Put the nails in the pile, screws in the pile, everything there. And this is Bryan's organization here. This is what called sort, reduce, and get rid of. That's how I stay organized. This is actually about half the jars that were really here. I recycled any jars that had cracked or deteriorated lids from the sun. Because in my old house, these jars were in the window, and the sun basically destroyed it. So we picked all those jars, and we're getting there. Yeah. And so what's the capacitor there? 330 volt capacitor right there. That's safe. Yeah, this stuff is kind of scary. I don't doubt anything that's charged though. Yeah, you got a pile of circuit boards there. What do you got? What's that? 7x9mm. We got. Oh, I can't read that. Never mind. Screw it. I waste time doing it. So there's all our hardware. All cleaned up right there. All in piles, ready to be sorted and put in their correct drawers. And we're trying to reduce as much of this hardware as we can. And look at this. Rusty nails, never use those ones. And everything that's like bent, stripped, it's all gone. And we're going to pick through every piece of this and get rid of everything. But first, we come over here, get everything on this big pile, and put it into their correct piles. And that's how we're going to do that. Then I got these to put the parts in. So pick through this, put like screws in one, and take the screws there and dump them. Then we'll go through and get all the washers, put the washers in there, and take them in there and dump them. Very simple. But time consuming as hell. I don't know how I got this bad done here. I don't know how much is in there, but there's a lot of stuff in there. Is CO2 good? Yeah, CO2's dead. You can say that ain't a good thing having that in there. Yeah, what's this rocket engine? What do you got? B4 single stage rocket. B4-2 single stage rocket motor. Here, real safe stuff in there. Little lighters in there, all kind of stuff. All kind of goodies. So there's. This is what we gotta do.